Hi everyone, this is Shankar Karnik. I'm the Vice President for Indirect Sales for South India, part of the Mobil lubricants family here in India.
All right. So, what is your main objective in participating at Windergy Expo?
Windergy is a great platform for interacting with the industry. Wind as an industry is quite mature in India. We have the component suppliers and the packagers who are called the OEMs of the industry who bring and showcase their technology. And as Mobil, we are one of the pioneers of wind energy lubrication systems and products. And these products and services are on display in Windergy. Windergy provides us, as I said, a platform for showcasing our technology and also bringing this technology discussions to the fore. And it works as an interface for us to deal with the original equipment builders and also component builders who come to this exposition from around the world, not only from India. So it's a wonderful platform to interact and also learn about the industry and also offer our solutions, products and services to the industry as well.
So, how important do you think is a show like Windergy Expo at the moment for Indian market?
Uh, if you relate to the latest renewable policy of Government of India, uh, from a portfolio perspective, the renewables market is expected to probably more than double in the next few years. So clearly, this segment has got all it takes in terms of investments coming in. The technology is here. We have the players, and users, of course, get benefited by better technology coming into the country. So clearly, it's a industry to look out for. It's a segment that is growing significantly, and it creates a lot of excitement. And a platform like Windergy would provide for these discussions, interactions, and knowledge sharing to happen, and that brings a lot of value to businesses like us. And it also creates the right kind of environment for us to reach out to the industry, leveraging some of the expertise and technology that is available, and also bring our technology to the fore, which will be useful for the industry in terms of achieving higher performance levels. So clearly, a winner and a win-win-win for everyone who's participating in this event.
Since we spoke about knowledge sharing, what is your opinion on the concurrent events that has been organized by the organizers, like the conferences and the roundtables?
So the events that the schedule or the agenda of the Windergy is not just about the exposition, but also about the conferences and various interactions that are happening. Clearly, those are useful to us because, again, as I said, there are component builders, component suppliers, and the OEMs themselves who are talking about the latest step out technology that they are bringing to the market. Again, that's important for us to understand technology as well. In Mobil, the approach to business is to work with the component builders or the equipment builders who are the packagers of wind turbines, right at the R&D level, where new technology or new developments are discussed. And once from either from a metallurgical standpoint or a usage point of view or operational aspects, we try and understand the requirements of the industry for the future and develop products which are useful to achieve higher performance and optimal usage, thereby improving operational and production efficiency. And this is where exactly our strength lies. And this again, as I said, the conferences on the sidelines of Windergy provides for that platform for us to interact and gain better knowledge. We also make relationships, and these are useful, as we take it along in terms of developing new products for the industry.
Right. So, any feedback that you have for the organizers on how to better the future editions?
I think there needs to be more networking, I would say, probably organized through the net organizers of the industry in bringing together opportunities for participants either in the form of the exposition itself or the conferences. But beyond that, as I said, networking meetings possibly could help develop this closer relationship that is very important from forums like this. So probably that is something that the organizers can look into going forward.
Any last message for the organizer?
Well, not only for the organizers, for the industry as a whole, we are a pioneer in wind industry lubrication solutions. Uh, we are very proud, and this forum we are introducing the next generation technology, which is fill for life gear oils. Uh, in the entire gamut of products that we bring to the wind industry, whether it is gear oils or the main bearing and the pitch bearing greases, and then also the flush oil that is required when you change over between intervals. Uh, the entire product range is here in India, and we are very proud of the fact that we play with most of the or the many of the OEMs in the country, with a large presence across the country, across all the geographies in this country. So the new generation, the next generation Fill for Life product is going to really take the industry to the next level in terms of higher performance and optimizing on operational costs, thereby improving efficiency of the equipment itself and better productivity. And that is exactly what our new product range, coupled with the services that we offer, brings to the table. And we are looking forward to be a significant player going forward in this industry as the industry expands. Uh, I wish Windergy all the best. I think this is a fantastic platform, and we've been participating for many years now, and will continue to be participating because this offers us the right platform to interact with the industry, and certainly it is bringing results. Uh, my best wishes and congratulations for a very successful event in 2024.